But let's now focus on Godfrey Phillips, the company's family feud case between son Samir Modi and mother Beena Modi. Samir Modi has received a big relief from the Delhi High Court. Ashmit joins in with the detail. Ashmit, first, even a little bit of the background.
Well, there has been trouble brewing within the promoter family as well as the boardrooms of KK Modi Group companies and the likes of Godfrey Phillips. Now, what's important is that on May 30th, Samir Modi had attempted to get himself involved, be party to the boardroom proceedings. And there, Samir Modi has alleged that he was roughed up by the PSO of his mother, Beena Modi, that the other boardroom members were participants. They were watching. They did not intervene, makes them participants. To that end, Samir Modi has also filed an FIR. He's also moved the court for monitoring that investigation. The court has directed for CCTV footage to be secured. But independent of these proceedings, Samir Modi moved another application before the Delhi court. And in this application, he points out that this dispute that occurred, this incident that occurred on May 30th, is indicative of a larger dispute brewing within the family, and that he anticipates two major concerns. He brought to the light court's attention two major concerns. The first is that he anticipates that on account of this dispute, he's likely to be thrown out of the board of various KK Group companies, including Godfrey Phillips. That's one. The second is that he has invested considerable energy, time and money behind growing the retail division of the company, the Godfrey Phillips, which is 24/7. That 24/7 is growing, is sprouting up across various cities. That is the second concern that he highlighted, that he anticipates that Godfrey Phillips will actively try to run the retail division into the ground by refusing to pay the vendors, the salaries, even the electricity dues. Now, it is in response to this that the Delhi court today has passed ex-parte orders granting relief to Samir Modi. Ex-parte orders have been passed restraining Beena Modi as well as the board of directors as well as the group companies, that number one, Samir Modi cannot be tossed out of the board. That simply cannot happen. The other key relief that has come his way is that this business, or the retail division of 24/7, cannot be discontinued, cannot be shut down, cannot be run into the ground. What's also important is that Samir Modi has extended an olive branch, saying that he hopes that this dispute between the family members can be settled via talks, can be settled via mediation. That is something that the Delhi court has taken on record, but importantly, has deferred the hearing in this matter to the next month of July. Again, important to point out, these are ex-parte orders. So Beena Modi, the board of directors, the company members were not heard today in these proceedings. So that is something we'll need to watch out for. But for now, certain relief coming in for Samir Modi, cannot be thrown out of the board, and 24/7, the business has to be continued by Godfrey Phillips.
All right, 24/7 business has to be continued by Godfrey Phillips. Not a big immediate impact on the stock, but this is definitely an imponderable that we'll keep an eye out on. Ashmit, thank you for bringing us updates on that one. We'll take a short break. On the other